Hi and welcome back to my channel Heap. Today we're going to test and compare two different types of origami ninja stars. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Today's video is a little bit long, so I'll have a timeline in the description so you can jump through the different sections. First, I'm going to show you how the two different ninja stars are different. Afterwards, I'm going to throw them and see how they fly differently. And in the end, I'm going to show you how to fold the two different types of origami ninja stars. First, we're going to have a look at the Star Shape Ninja Star. It's the one that everyone knows and loves. It has four corners and it's symmetrical on both sides. And it looks really damn cool. Next, we're going to have a look at the Square Shape Ninja Star. Not as cool, but still really good looking. I have two of them here because based on which hand you're throwing with, you want to have the spiral going at different directions. If you're a left hand thrower, you want to use the yellow one, and if you're a right hand thrower, you want to use the orange one. Having the spiral going in the same direction of the spin of the ninja star helps it go further with greater accuracy. The same thing applies to the Star Shape Ninja Star as well. However, because it's symmetrical, it doesn't make too much of a difference. What the spiral really does for the Square Shape Ninja Star is it gives the Ninja Star a little bit more lift when it's flying through the air, so it can go further and faster. Fun fact about the Square Shape Ninja Star is that it's actually called a moon star. Now that we know the difference between the two different types of origami ninja stars, let's start throwing them. The first thing I want to test is the effect of the spiral that I was talking about. I can achieve this by just spinning the ninja star really fast and see how high it goes. As you can see, the Star Shape Ninja Star, there's not that much lift. However, if you use the Square Shape Ninja Star, there's some lift. And the orange one is doing better because it's a right hand ninja star and I'm using my right hand. Now let's just throw them normally. So let's compare the two different types of ninja stars after throwing them several times. As you can see, the Star Ninja Star is really out of shape. The corners are a lot bent and deflected too. You'll need to straighten them out before you throw this ninja star again in a straight line. Let's have a look at the Square Shape Ninja Star. It's still relatively in shape. The corners are a little bit dull, but still generally intact. In general, the Square Shape Ninja Star is a lot more durable than the Star Shape Ninja Star. You can reuse it over and over again without having to stop and fix it up before throwing it a second time. Now let's enjoy the clip to learn how to fold a star-shaped ninja star. Section is important for the Star Shape Ninja Star. You want the two sections to be a mirror of each other. That way they will fit properly. Now I'm going to fold the square-shaped Ninja Star, also known as a moon star. I'm using a letter-sized piece of paper here, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. I've never used an A4 piece of paper to fold this before. I don't know if it's going to work. If you have a chance to try it out with an A4 piece of paper, please let me know in the comments if it works or not. A4 is not commonly available in Canada, so it's kind of hard to come by. I'm going to be folding both the right hand and the left hand version of this Ninja Star. I will be showing the right hand version with the orange paper and the left hand version with the yellow paper. A good way to remember which side you're folding this Ninja Star for is to check the direction of the arrows. If it's pointing to your right hand, it's to be thrown with your right hand. If it's pointing to your left hand, it's supposed to be thrown with your left hand. So there you have it, the Star Shape Ninja Star and the Square Shape Ninja Star. Tell me which one's your favorite in the comments below. And if you've seen the Square Shape Ninja Star before, tell me where you learned it, because I'm unable to find it online anywhere. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Click on the playlist on the left to learn more about paper airplanes. Click on the playlist on the right to learn more about traditional origami like this.